Hello friends, my name is Krishna Gaur, and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Namastey IT. Today's video, I will share the solution for corrupt Windows 10. In this video, I will show you how we can repair or restore our window by using command prompt in very simple way. So without any further delay, let's start our video. To open the command prompt, go to the search and start menu and type cmd. Make sure you open the command prompt as run as administrator. Once command prompt will open, type the following command. sfc/scannow and press enter. The sfc/scannow command will scan all protected system files and replace corrupted files with a cached copy that is located in a compressed folder at %windir%system32/cache. Now the verification process will be start. Do not close this command prompt window until the verification is 100% complete. It may take several minutes for the command operation to be completed. Wait patiently while it completes. When the verification process completes, you'll see something like this in the command prompt window. No problems were found. Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violations. That means everything is fine. System File Checker may or may not prompt you to restart, but even if it doesn't, you should restart anyway. Finally, you will see that the Windows now repair and will work properly. That's it. Thanks for watching this video.